What's up, YouTube? We back at it, man. We back at it. Look, I still got to do a little more editing on that video. I know everybody got their videos up from the Rick Ross Car Show. I feel you, but you know everybody's situation is different. You know, full-time business owner. That's my bread and butter. So you know, I'm not monetizing my YouTube channel. So you know, I haven't really, I can't slow up. I can't slow the bread up. I gotta pay. Go ahead and finish tightening this up. I'm loving that headliner. Go ahead and trim this carpet up. You know, I got all my panels in. I ordered some, my guy's supposed to be sending me some speaker covers. They should be here shortly. I'm pull that console back out so I can paint the black part up front. Yeah, I gotta pull that door panel back off so I can put another clip in so I can put my armrest in. I got that from my guy, Drew at Impala SS Parts over there in Union City. He hooked your boy up. I got this this pad from him too, the dash pad. Got a couple things, you know what I'm saying? He hooked me up. He got what you need, man, for these B-bodies, man. You know what I mean? So, good dude, hooked me up. So that's what I got going on today. I didn't really like the texture of the paint, so I'm gonna reprime it, sand it down a little bit, reprime it, and shoot it again. And hopefully it'll come out the way I want it to come out. So that's next. This is the old pad. Yeah, I could have put a dash cover over it, but I wasn't with all that. I don't really like that type stuff. So, but I tried to fix it. You know, I guess the guys that did theirs on YouTube, their crack wasn't as bad as mine, or either that or I didn't know what the hell I was doing. One of the two, you know what I mean? But as you can see, I couldn't really get the. It still showed where the cracks were at, and I wasn't with all that. I got too much money in the car to be riding around with it looking like that. So, yeah, if y'all want that, you can shoot me a couple dollars, you can have it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, at least cover shipping. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I got the other seat I'm gonna do. I did the other ones in the house. I gotta do this one. As you can look here, like it's like play here, no play here, play here. You can see the stuff falling out right there already. So I'm gonna go replace that. I'm gonna go pull this one in. I'm gonna pull the other one out because I did the other one this morning. And my man OTG, but he ain't my man, but you know, I call him man because I watch all his videos. He showed me how to do all this shit. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I suggest you too, because I don't do how-to videos. You know what I mean? I'm just showing y'all what's going on out here. You know, do-it-yourselfers and keeping it going. But this one, I changed, right? But it's still a little bit of play, which he'll tell you that in the video. It's still a little bit of play. This one, not in play. So this one is not as much as it was before I changed it. What these were like 60 bucks. You know, you put 4 on each rail. So I'm not gonna bother this one because it's nothing, you know, it's tighter. It's tighter than this one, even after replace the parts to it. So I'm gonna leave that like that. And we're gonna trim that carpet up. We're gonna put the seats and stuff back in today. And on this is the bottom of the back seat. I ordered my covers a while back. And you know, I got my hog nose pliers, my hog nails, or whatever you call the nails. Yeah, hog rings. Sorry, hog rings. And that wasn't that hard, bro. I mean, it took me about 2 hours to do it. You know, I'm assuming that, you know, all this will work itself out, you know, here eventually once it heats up and everything. You know, so yeah, it wasn't a bad little thing. Back here I got my stuff. That's my guest room now. It become the storage spot. But this is the top. So I had this laid out for a while, kind of get all the bins out of it from the shipping. So we're gonna put that on the back here in a minute. I got to run over the Summit, but yeah, but I'm gonna bounce these up today because I didn't even see how these joints look. Man, I love these joints, man. I can't wait till the car get done just to put these joints on. You know what I mean? So I got that coming today. You know what I mean? Like, so I'm gonna give y'all some updates on what I got going on. And I'm gonna shoot over the summit real quick, grab that paint. I gotta get a little thing for my door, to put that door handle on, and go ahead and tighten everything up. So I'm gonna get back with you guys here in a minute, get you guys another video, let you guys see what's going on. And I promise you, man, I'm gonna get back to this in a minute. But my man, get in there. He ready to finish this car, so we can get the motor stuff popping, all that. You know, it's just a process, man. It's just a process. But anybody that build these cars, they know what it is. They know what it is with them. You know what I'm saying? It's just a lot. It's just a lot. You know. But I got some motivation, man. Going out there to the Ross show last week, looking at these dudes, I'm like, man, these dudes got a different type of bread, boy. Because them jokers had some machines out there. I ain't mad at them. This is pure motivation. From the local guys, the Florida guys, the Texas guys. It was just a beautiful thing, man. But that video gonna be going up today, so y'all make sure you check it out. I'm gonna get back with you in a minute. So I got that side off, right? It's joint. And slide in like that. But as soon as I took it off, all these joints come out. So it's like two little motors, two little screws that hold the motor in. They go up under here. Slide it out. Reel slides right on off. Simple. Only took me 5 minutes to get it off. So now I'm about to put these little joints on here. And they got little grooves so you can really see where they go. Figure this out. You see them? They got the groove where they sit in. So it's here. You just slide on like that. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. And then you just slide it, and then you just slide it back in. So we got it in. See, it's a little bit of play, but not as bad as it was. I probably could have put something together to tighten that up a little, made some type of sleeve or something to tighten it up, but it's not that big of a deal. We're gonna rock with it like that. But I'm about to get that installed in the car. After I get back from Summit, gonna pick up a few things from Summit. We're gonna get that in the car. Get back with you guys. All right, we back at it. About to swap out this top portion of the back seat. We're gonna get that in, so we're gonna cut out these hog rings and get everything put back in. So I'm gonna shout you out in a minute. Got this back cover off. Now I'm gonna tell you, getting all these rings off this top piece, that was more hell than anything else. So I got these, I'm gonna clean all these up, but got that off. This I'm gonna do last because I had to take this armrest off and I'm gonna have to go in it and configure that out. So yeah, that's where we at right now. So I went ahead and put everything on just to line it up properly, because these seams have to go in the pocket. It's a seam behind there. So see, this has to go in there, hook up to that bar. And then we have this, we're going to Velcro here, this strip Velcro there. So everything's lined up pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start buttoning everything down. It's not that difficult of a job, you know. Just the hardest part to me was just cutting all the hog rings off and getting that, getting all that pulled off and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to it. Go ahead and tighten this up. Get back to this. So we got that upper back seat done. I think it was off a little bit. I think the cuts was off a little bit because everything lined up perfectly on the back side. I got this locked in the way it's supposed to be, and again, everything is right. It's just that one side is off. But it's not bad. It's gonna shrink up a little bit too, so it's not gonna look that bad after it shrinks and settles. But yeah, I got that ready. So now I'm about to tackle this armrest, and that's gonna be that on the seat covers. So we're gonna get these seat covers done, tighten up the carpet. I'm trying to get this interior done today, no later than tomorrow. But I'm gonna film it as I go, so I can get some content up for you guys. You guys can see what I'm doing, and then you can get some ideas on how to do it. Then go to the different guys that do these things, the upholstery, the fixing the rails, the window shark fin situation. I had all that, and most of those videos I got from OTG and various other YouTubers that really show you how to really do this stuff step by step. So for some of the stuff that y'all see on the step by step move, go check them guys out. Got that seat cover in, man. It wasn't difficult. It looked harder than what it actually was. Following the basically the guide from that one, the old one, to this one. Got it tight. Put my swivels back on. You had to cut your own holes for that. They don't have holes in it, so you have to do your own holes. So now I'm gonna put this from the back on the back of the seat, the back seat, and we're gonna get ready to get these out in the heat. Let the heat soften them up a little bit, stretch them out a little bit. We're gonna get them back in the car. There we go. There we go. Yep. I'm tightening it up a little bit. Get ready to go back in the car. Now look, I am sitting out here. This one been out here for a couple hours, but it's tightening up nicely. And this one only been out here for about 45 minutes, and it's starting to settle and tighten up as well. So, and that's what I read and studied on other videos where they're putting them in the heat to let it tighten it up a little bit faster. This looks a little bit off, but it can't be. It might just be because of how this seat is made. I have to look at it again. When I pull it back up, it should straighten all the way out because you can only put that on one way. So I didn't mess it up. But it's just not sitting flush as it should. All right. But yeah, we're gonna get all this stuff in. Put another coat of paint on this. I'm just not liking it. I can't get it glossy for some reason. It just keeps doing this. Don't know why. I put prime on it, put paint on it, but it just keeps doing that. So we're gonna do a little bit of research, go back into the lab because I want it to look like that. But just certain parts at the top. And you can't see it when you're looking directly at it, but when you get at it from an angle, you can see it. And I don't want to be driving and looking at it because that would be very annoying. But I'm gonna figure that out. Let me get back to that. I'm gonna holler at you in a minute. All right, we back at it. Been out here for a couple hours, tightening up the carpet. See how that back seat came out? Came out pretty good. Okay, so I'm just tightening the carpet up, vacuuming it up a little bit. Get ready to put everything back in. That's that itches vent. I turned mine around this way because I'm not gonna be able to see that symbol from inside the car I'm driving. So if you walk up on it and look in the dash, you'll see Impala SS. Yeah, but the pad came out pretty good. Hit it with another coat of paint. Should be good. That bottom seat, about to pop that in. So yeah, we rocking and rolling, man. So I went ahead and ran. Since I was putting the carpet in, I went ahead and ran my 10-foot kicker RCAs. Remote wire over there. The guy who had the car before already put a power line in it, so I didn't take that power line out. And so, but yeah, so we rocking and rolling, man. We rocking and rolling. Gonna be crazy, boy. I'm gonna be at Raw show next year with both of these joints. That I really got to get back to that. But everybody know G-bodies, not just G-bodies in period, but Grand Nationals, whole different beast, man. And then there's so much about this car, you know, that I'm learning. You know, excuse all the clutter, but there's so much about this car I'm learning, man, as I go. And then G-body, they just released a 3-inch downpipe for this car. So that's the thing. Every time I think I'm getting close to being done, it's always something. So I'm considering doing that, but I just put a brand new 2-inch exhaust. I just put a brand new 2-inch exhaust on this that I haven't really driven the car. So if I go 3-inch downpipe, I mean I gotta go 3-inch exhaust. So the downpipe is $500. If I get another custom exhaust done, that's gonna be another $500. So I'm gonna be another grand in. So I'm gonna see if I can sell. If anybody want that 2.5 inches, basically brand new. It is brand new. I haven't driven the car. Got pipes exhaust, 2.5 inch pipes exhaust. So I might go and sell them. Cause I really want that 3-inch downpipe. And then these are the headers that weren't right. So I had to take these off. I had to take those off, and I'm gonna have to take them to a shop, a machine shop, so they can cut and re-weld, so I can put them on the car. So that's what's going on with the Grand National, man. You know, on top of, I think I mentioned it before, the ECU GN. That's the computer down. That's an 86, 87 computer. But I got to do the cam. I got to do the headers. Flex Fuel E85. I got the 80-pound injectors for that. You know, I got to do the, you know, get rid of the clutch fan. I'm doing the Casper's dual electric fans. So there's a lot, man, going on with that. But, you know, I'm gonna get to that in a minute. You know what I mean? But I just want to, cause I want to ride this summer. That car gonna be a little bit. This car will probably be done, you know, drive-wise in another month or so. I already got the rims and everything. So after I put this interior in, she really just got to go to paint, do my big brake conversion, shop, my man, get in there. You know what I'm saying? He put me in the game on that, and he building my motor. So the motor probably be done towards the end of the year, and then I send the car out to Baton Rouge to go ahead and get that LS swap 6. So gonna supercharge it. I might turbo. We talked about turbo in it, but you know, supercharged looks more, it's more cleaner. You know, you get your power on tap versus turbo. You got to spool up, and it's just a lot going on with the turbos, downpipes, and all that. So we'll see, man. But that's what we got going on. I'm gonna get back to this carpet, get everything else tightened up for you guys, get that top dash pad put in, and then I got my new AC control coming, because the bottom tabs on this one is broke. So I got another piece coming in. So once that comes in, then I'll take that out and put the radio in. I might put the radio in before that comes in. I don't know. I just don't want to be taking that stuff in and out, in and out, in and out. Because I got to take that door panel off again, because one of the tabs fell off, so I can't put my armrest on. So I got the armrest. Pull that out in a minute. That's what we got going on, man. So I'll get back to you in a second.